get ready with me to go for a date. I'm so excited. It's been a while I didn't go out, so yeah. I just applied moisturizer. I need to really hide this fucking huge dark circles that look so ugly. And I'm gonna apply now sunscreen, then all the details. Why I have this pimple here? So now it looks perfect after, powder. Let's start to do the eyes. I'll stop here and show you the final look. Eyes almost done. Okay, next time I just gotta trust the process. I'm gonna end up the full makeup, then do the clouds, and later judge. I think the makeup is setting. I have fixed this part for a little because I don't like the way it looks. Now that's better. That is better. That is better. That I wanted to go to is closed because it's Chinese New Year, so it's okay. We're gonna go eat. I hope it's not also closed because I've been wanting a barbecue for like a week or 2 weeks now. Ice cream. So delicious. So delicious. Perfect. I honestly really enjoyed this place. It tastes so amazing, the food, and also it has everything for free. Fruits, after you pay the ticket of course. Fruits and the cakes, juices, cola, and everything. Everything is so good. I'm gonna try this one. I honestly don't know what's the taste of that one. So. Not that good.
Peace.
Quiet.
Finally.
Finally.